LF is professional in steel structure and space frame design, manufacturing, consulting, and technical service. Products mainly used in high security civil buildings, such as stadiums, large span warehouses, and workshops, characterized by wind resistance and earthquake resistance. And the structural stress is repeatedly statically determined. Shuzhou LF specializes in serving overseas markets. The customers served are distributed in the Americas, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Europe. Overseas customers and projects include ThyssenKrupp, the Presidential Office of African Countries, and the world's largest churches in Nigeria, Philippines SM, Shell Petroleum, Japan Mitsubishi, BASF. Many large span coal sheds constructed by LF had passed the safety test of Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines in 2013. LF has been carrying out technological development and R&D of steel structures and space frame with many patents. Also been approved by some institutions like BV, SGS, AWS Manufacturing Welding, Technical Assessment, International Experience, Factory Assessment, and Installation Ability. Recognized by Alibaba as Strategic Cooperative Enterprise and Gold Seller for Overseas Market. LF also serves as board member of the China Steel Structure Association, vice chairman of Shuzhou Cross-Border Chamber of Commerce, vice chairman of Shenzhen Chamber of Commerce, and other social positions, leading Chinese companies to overseas. The mission of LF is to make itself a respected leader in the steel structure industry. Let the customer choose LF without regret.
Now let's have a tour of our factory. These are in the process of wet machining. This is measuring process in the rod. Our process is strict to ensure the fastest speed to achieve the best quality. This is the painting of the rods. Drill a base hole for the bolt bowl. Then the bolt bowl is machinized. Bolt bowl is solid. The weight is very heavy, need to be placed on the support with the aid of tools. The bolt bowls are sprayed with zinc to prevent corrosion. This is dealing with sandwich panels. The process in our factory is orderly, fast and quality guaranteed. This is followed by the space frame component assembly. Step 1. Pull bolts out of the pipe. Step 2. Fasten the pin to the sleeve. Step 3. Fix the sleeve to the bolt. Step 4. Connect the pipe to the bowl by fastening the bolt. Step 5. Assemble the space frame module. The main structure of the space frame structure workshop is mainly composed of columns and beams connected through nodes to form a stable load-bearing system. This structural system can withstand vertical and horizontal loads, and the wall is not load-bearing, mainly plays the role of enclosure and separation. A barrel shell is a shell with a barrel-shaped appearance or barrel-shaped structure. Shell is a kind of structural form with curved shape and thickness much smaller than other dimensions, which can bear large loads and has good stability. This is the dome space frame structure coal bunker installation display. Dome coal bunker is mostly used in vertical large capacity coal bunker, and its structure can disperse the pressure evenly, so the stress performance is better. The design of dome coal bunker makes full use of its internal space, with high section utilization rate, which can store more coal. In addition, the construction of dome coal bunkers is relatively simple, and due to its structural characteristics, it is also easier to maintain. This is the hangar space frame construction simulation BIM. Main construction materials. Construction quality specification. Arrange the lifting equipment. Chest lift work. Lift. Formal jacking. Chandelier pipeline laying. Point of observation. HANA space frame lift description. Ground space frame assembly steps. Water and electricity installation, roof main pylon installation. Door head guide structure installation. (3D laser scanning). Space framework pre-elevation. The space frame is officially lifting. Close-up bracket. Installation of horse path. Space frame disassembly.
This is demonstration of gas station shed roof installation process. The spatial framework of the cathedral is made of high-strength, corrosion-resistant steel. The steel has excellent mechanical properties and durability and can withstand a variety of loads inside and outside the cathedral, including spectator loads, wind loads, snow loads, etc. At the same time, the plasticity and workability of steel also enable the spatial frame structure of the cathedral to achieve a variety of complex shapes and details. The design of the space frame structure of the cathedral fully considers the safety, stability, and economy of the structure. Through accurate calculation and analysis, the designer determined a reasonable structural arrangement and component size to ensure the stability and safety of the cathedral under various loads. At the same time, the designers also considered the economy and aesthetics of the structure by optimizing the structural form and material use, reducing the construction cost, and achieving the grand appearance of the cathedral and the comfort of the interior space.
This is Togo Blue Glass Skylight 3D effect video.
The first thing you see is a spectacular panorama of an international airport in Yannan province. The design of the terminal combines modern and traditional elements and stands in a streamlined position under the blue sky, like a phoenix with wings ready to fly, symbolizing the hospitality of the people of Yannan and the infinite hope for the future. Entering the interior of the terminal, a spacious and bright hall with a reasonable layout is displayed in front of you. In the video, the interior decoration of the terminal is cleverly integrated into the ethnic customs of Yannan. From murals to sculptures, every detail tells the story of the land. Yannan Airport terminal design pays special attention to green environmental protection. The video shows the terminal roof greening, rainwater recycling system, and energy-saving lighting measures, which not only beautify the environment but also effectively reduce energy consumption. Through the huge floor-to-ceiling windows, passengers can also enjoy the natural scenery around the airport, as if they are in a moving landscape painting. The lower structure of the terminal adopts reinforced concrete frame structure. The roof and supporting roof structure are hyperboloid shape, and the quadrangle pyramidal space frame structure is adopted. The supporting structure of the roof is steel ribbon, conical steel pipe column, and variable section box swing column. The main structure of TR terminal adopts space frame structure, and the space code network supported by concrete filled steel tube tree is used in the main building area, which not only enhances the stability of the building but also gives the building a modern aesthetic sense and a sense of space. Every departure is a new exploration, and every arrival is a yearning for a better life. Thanks for watching.
Stepping into the museum is like traveling through multidimensional space. The well-arranged space layout is not only the ultimate pursuit of architectural aesthetics, but also a deep tribute to the history and culture of the exhibits. At every step, you can feel the integration of history and modernity. The unique space frame design makes every corner of the museum full of surprises. The cantilever roof and the staggered beams and columns not only support the weight of the building, but also bear the crystallization of human wisdom. Every detail is a profound interpretation of architectural art. The following shows you some steel structure space frame buildings. From blueprint to reality, each precisely calculated steel beam is a dual commitment to safety and aesthetics. Each step is a quest for perfect structural strength. Engineers have calculated carefully to ensure that every inch of steel can withstand the most demanding competition tests. Green energy saving is another highlight of the space frame gymnasium. Solar panels provide clean energy for the venue, and rainwater collection systems recycle water resources to protect our beautiful home planet. Into the interior, modern design, and humanistic care. The playing field adapts international standards and is ready for every passionate encounter. Every detail shows respect for the spirit of sports. Carbon Grand Theater, a steel structure as the pen, art as the ink, writing in the ice city on the land of the magnificent poem. It is not only the temple of performance, but also the habitat of the soul, inviting everyone who loves art and pursues dreams to witness every bloom of inspiration and feel every touch of the soul.
Zhonggan High-Speed Railway Station is a comprehensive transportation hub integrating high-speed rail, intercity railway, subway, bus and other modes of transportation. In the video, it can be seen that the platform layers are scattered, and the high-speed train shuttles through them like a silver dragon, efficiently connecting Beijing, Tianjin and other parts of Hebei province, greatly shortening the time and space distance between the cities. The supporting facilities in the station are perfect, from intelligent security check, face recognition, to automatic ticketing, information query. Every detail reflects the humanistic care of science and technology, which provides great convenience for passengers. The steel structure project of Zhonggan High-Speed Railway Station is a frame structure system with a total steel consumption which exceeds the total steel consumption of both next stadium and is the leader in the steel structure consumption of large domestic transportation hubs.
That's all for today. If you have any ideas, welcome to consult.